We start this Monday's MEOW with a topic that isn't generally associated to the work of the lab, but we'll answer it, as it does pertain solely to the cat brand, and this is what MEOW is all about. The topic we've taken a lot of questions on through social media is why we've chosen Silencer Shop as the primary retailer of civilian cat suppressors, and why not other retailers. The decision was driven by a strategic consideration that revolved around supply chain management. Combat Application Technologies, or CAT, is not a suppressor company. It is instead a specific civilian-focused research and development project, providing a range of enhanced defense products, initially starting with suppressor products. Due to this fact, CAT's manufacturing is piggybacked off a larger defense manufacturing process, where monthly production units are consistent but limited in volume. Working with one retailer simplifies the supply chain for CAT, making it more manageable and efficient. For CAT, this leads to increased reliability in product delivery, allowing for better inventory management and where fewer points in the supply chain that can go wrong, reducing the risk of supply chain disruptions. By using a single retailer like Silencer Shop, who have almost 6,000 powered by dealers in the US, it allows CAT to manage risks related to production, inventory levels, and demand forecasting. While supplying to multiple smaller retailers might offer broader market exposure for CAT, it has a potential adverse effect, and that is a group of dissatisfied retailers who can't get consistent supply, with their customers waiting months for products on backorder, with no line of sight on fulfillment. For CAT, spending considerable time developing a superior, all-round suppressor with an equal balance on toxic fume to concussive blast propagation, sound, and flash suppression, versus size, weight, and durability, mean nothing if the user it was intended for cannot access it with repeatability, or at least know when a product might be available. CAT uses specific DMLS and manufacturing processes that are specific to CAT's parent group. These processes are not easily replicated due to the printers used, laser resolutions, and manufacturing know-how. DMLS and 3D printing has become the newest industry hot topic, but this does not mean every 3D printer in the US is capable of executing highly technical design manufacturing. Therefore, a smaller production base becomes the unenviable downside. Every step in the production system must be aligned perfectly to produce consistent monthly volumes, from printing, depowdering, heat treatment, machining, coating, serialization, and even packaging. However, even when this is all aligned, it only takes a delay in form approval by the ATF to set everything back. The less retailers, the less ATF forms, the lower the chances of inconsistent supply in the network. CAT understands that most retailers are either loved, hated, or treated as a necessity for supply. That's no different to defense and suppressor brands. Everyone has favorites and fans. This is a tightrope for CAT when selecting a singular retail partner. Some buyers will not mind. Others will be offended by our retailer choice. What matters most to CAT, though, is that the products are available to buyers in the widest amount of states with regularity. Does this mean that other Silencer Shop competitors couldn't have been chosen? No, but CAT would have had the same issue of supply, just now with bigger retail partners. So, the choice of Silencer Shop was based on manufacturing volumes and supply chain. It was not based around personalities, likes, or dislikes. CAT has a cheesy, poke its tongue at its competitors' fanboys, a level of market mischievousness, and is focused primarily for first adopters that support new product innovation versus traditional purchasing motivations. But this should not be confused that the team behind CAT are not a mixture of serious development engineers, global DMLS printing experts, and ex-SMU individuals. Add a partner like CGS Group, who are serious about DMLS printing themselves, and the execution of the CAT brand. CAT buyers can take comfort that the standards are extremely high. When production starts to free up over the next year, CAT will start advertising monthly volumes of the civilian line on its own website, delivered via the Capital Armory delivery network. Until this time, CAT Civilian will always be available via Silencer Shop, with CAT's Alley Cat products for law enforcement, military and government individuals available via the CAT website, and selected LE retailers.